Finding one winning product that sells consistently can change a dropshipping store. But what if I told you you can find 10 potential winning products every single day? Most beginners struggle with product research because they try to guess what might sell. But the truth is, the smartest dropshippers don't guess. They follow the data and analyze products from stores that are already successful. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact method I use to find 10 winning products daily for my Shopify dropshipping store. You'll learn how to discover profitable stores, analyze their best-selling products, source them quickly, and even understand the marketing strategies behind their success. And the best part, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You can simply learn from stores that are already making sales. So if you want to build a consistent pipeline of winning products, let's jump right into this video. So let's start with a basic question. Why is adding 10 products daily backed by data is such a smart idea? First, whether you run a general store or a niche store, adding 10 products a day while removing those that show low performance helps you gradually build a stable and strong product catalog. Each product you add also becomes its own page that can be indexed by search engines like Google or Bing. Over time, this can bring free organic traffic to your store. Another important advantage is credibility. When potential buyers visit a store with a large product selection, it naturally builds trust. A store with many products backed by real demand looks much more established and professional. And by adding 10 products a day, you are essentially testing many opportunities at the same time. This maximizes one of the biggest advantages of the dropshipping business model: the ability to test products quickly. Remember, sometimes all it takes is a few winning products to completely change your store's performance. Even 5 to 10 winning products generating consistent sales can make your store highly profitable. Now, I think the best way to understand this concept is by looking at a real example. Let's start with a niche dropshipping store. Here we have a store called dancinggaga.com. Don't let the website fool you. The products in this dancing shoes niche store are actually sourced from AliExpress. Now, let's look at the back-end performance. For this, I'll simply copy the store's URL and paste it into the Zeek store sales tracker and click search. Here we can see that this store has 1,168 products listed, and it generated over $100,000 in sales, which is an impressive number. And what's interesting is that each individual product may generate only small to medium sales. But when you look at the big picture, all these small sales add up to a significant revenue. Now let's look at another example. A general dropshipping store, jstonewell.com. Unlike the previous store, this one is not focused on a single niche. Instead, it offers a mix of products that have proven buyer demand. When we analyze the back end of the store, we can see the same concept again. A large product catalog with many different items, each contributing to the overall sales. So whether it's a niche store or a general store, the principle is very similar. More validated products equals more opportunities for sales. Now, there's one important thing to remember. If you're adding 10 products every day, your store will eventually have a very large catalog. To make this work properly, your store must be organized. That means having clear product categories and a user-friendly menu divided by niche or product type. This makes it easy for visitors to navigate your store and find exactly what they're looking for. Now, when it comes to finding 10 products a day, there are many different ways to do it. But in this video, I'm going to show you a method that helps you add products that already show strong signs of sales from competitors. All we need to do is identify these products, understand the marketing behind them, and add similar products to our own store. In other words, we don't need to reinvent the wheel. Instead, we can simply look at stores that are already successful, find their winning products, and use that data to guide our product selection. For this, I'll use the Zeek Store Finder to discover stores that match the niche of my own store. For example, let's say we have a dropshipping store that specializes in jewelry. All I need to do is type jewelry into the search bar. If I want to be even more targeted, I can select the store type. And in this case, I'll choose dropshipping. Then I simply click search. Now the tool shows me a list of stores that match this niche. The next step is to look for stores that have a large product selection, because those stores usually test many products and have valuable sales data. For example, let's review this store, PinelVisionJewelry.com. At first glance, it already looks like a great store where I can potentially analyze their best-selling products and add similar items to my own store. Now I'll click on the detective icon to analyze the back end of this store. Here we can see that this store has 335 products listed. Now, if I scroll down a bit, I can also see the sales performance for each product. Now, it's not a smart strategy to copy every single product from the store. Instead, we want to focus on the products that show strong sales performance, because those are the products that already demonstrate real demand and good conversion rate. But before doing anything else, it's important to understand something. The idea behind finding 10 winning products a day is not to copy the top products from just one store and move on. The goal is to gradually build a strong product catalog over time. So instead of copying everything immediately, the smarter strategy is to save this store and monitor it regularly. That way, we can identify new rising products as they start gaining traction. So what I'll do is click Add to Favorites, leave a comment about the store, and give it a star rating. Now I can come back every week, check which products are starting to gain traction, and add those products to my store. This approach saves a huge amount of time, because instead of testing completely random products, you are selecting products that already show proof of demand and success. Okay, so now that we've found a store that matches our store type, it's time to start adding products from it to our own store. The way I like to do this is by focusing on the top 10 products of the store. So for example, today I will focus on products 1 to 10 in the list. Tomorrow I continue with products 10 to 20 and so on. This way I can consistently find around 10 strong products every day without spending hours searching. Now let's take a look at the second top product of this store, which is the gold flower drop earrings. According to the data, this product was sold 35 times in the last 30 days. Now, when it comes to sourcing this product, the process is very simple. All I need to do is click on the item finder and search for the exact match. And in this case, let's go with this one here. As you can see, this is the same exact product, and it can be sourced for only $2.39 plus $1.99 for shipping, because it's an AliExpress choice product. So the total sourcing cost is just $4.49. Now, think about that for a second. We just found the best-selling product of a dropshipping store with proven demand, and the profit per sale after Shopify fees can reach around $26, which is roughly an 80% profit margin. Now, we need to do this and repeat the same process for the next 9 products in the list and add them to our store if the profit margins make sense. This is the perfect example of working smarter, not harder. Instead of guessing which products might work, we're simply analyzing stores that are already successful and adding products that already show real demand. And by building a watch list of stores like this, you're essentially creating a powerful product source that you can return to regularly when you want to add new items to your store. Okay, so before I continue with the last piece of the puzzle that will make sure potential buyers will interact with the product we found, if you find this video useful so far, I will be grateful if you could like it and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to use the same tools I'm using in this video, you can start using Zeek today. Now, to fully understand the success behind this store, we still need to go one step deeper and analyze its market marketing strategy so we can apply some of the same ideas to our own store. Here you can see that Zeke also identifies the social media channels this store is using. What I like to do at this stage is review these social media platforms and extract best practices that I can implement for my own store. There are a few things we want to look at. Which social media platforms the store is using, what type of content they post, which posts went viral or received high engagement, and how they present the products to their audience. For example, here we can see that the Pinterest account of this store is performing extremely well, generating around 155.8K monthly views. If I were running a jewelry store like this, creating a Pinterest account for marketing would definitely be a smart move. We can also see that Instagram appears to perform very well for them, especially using real models or AI-generated models to showcase the jewelry products. This type of content tends to attract strong engagement, which helps position the products better and reaches a wider audience. You can think of this step as the final piece of the puzzle. It's not only about finding 10 winning products every day, but also about understanding how successful stores market these products so you can show them to the right audience based on real data. And that's the full system I use to find 10 potential winning products every single day. Instead of guessing what might sell, you simply find successful stores, analyze their best-selling products, source them quickly, and learn from their marketing strategies. Over time, this approach allows you to build a large catalog of validated products, which increases your chances of finding multiple bestsellers in your store. And remember, sometimes just a few winning products are all it takes to turn a dropshipping store into a profitable business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to use the same tools I used in this video to find stores, analyze sales data, and discover winning products, you can start using Zeke today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.